Okay, Henry, I'm gonna clean this. Well, I took it apart. I wasn't going to, but I'm glad I did. I took this apart because this thing is absolutely filthy. So, and up inside of the supercharger, in there, I'm finna take this thing to the car wash and go get some oven cleaner and clean this thing, because inside of it is terrible. So those are the rotors over there. I'm gonna go and clean those, clean everything, take it to the car wash, power wash it. I clean the inside of this, but I'm gonna take it and re-clean it. Let's see if the video can get up in there. But I'm gonna clean it and pack the bearings and whatnot. You know, get all the gook out of it, and it should run a whole lot better, because this thing is nasty. So the oil is in. I'm on my way to go get the oil, power wash, come back, put it together, and put it on the car, and you should be good. So I'm gonna see this video in a second. So I'll see you shortly. All right, over and out. Okay, Henry, got these parts all oven cleaned up. So we're gonna see how they turn out. I'm gonna hit the car wash and see how it turns out. It was pretty nasty. All right, over and out. Okay, Henry, got your supercharger all rebuilt. Spins nice and smooth now. It's nice and smooth. Put a new isolator inside. Siliconed everything up. Greased the rear bearings. Clean the butterfly in your throttle body. Clean your blow-off valve inside the supercharger. Clean the inside. So it's a nice nice job here. So now I'm getting ready to put the gaskets on. Put the new supercharger oil in it. So get ready to put the gasket on and button it up and fire it up. See what happens. Give you a jingle. All right, I'm seeing this video once it uploads to the cloud, so I'm probably about 45 minutes out on this job being finished. All right, over now. Okay, Henry, I cut off a piece of a bolt and stuck in here to take up the difference in the space to the back of the crank. So my puller bolt, my pusher bolt or puller bolt can pull the harmonic balancer off. So looks like a done deal. This is the new one right here. Getting ready to put it back on, so you're just about out of here. And it's about 3 hours later. Okay, see, this one is cracked up as well. This thing's no good. It's all cracked up all the way around. So I welded the nut to this face of this one and put that stud in there, a piece of screw, and pushed it off. It came right off. All right, send you this video shortly. Over and out.